Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is all reversal film, so I have so much dust on film, and I scanned that I haven't cleaned up background, but I'm gonna smudge later to clean up, or well, I'm gonna retouch some. Well, I have this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Okay, I'm gonna use these two images to get something creative. Actually, I made some oil paint, look like oil paint type image, and also watercolor I tried last year, a couple months ago. But this time I want to try something more light image from this low-key photo. Well, that's challenge. Try to make it something light illustration type image. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image, then let's see the colors, how it's going to turn out. I used this color burn or linear burn last time for oil paint like, but this time I want to look for something light image like overlay. Let me use that later. I got something, this is pretty nice luminosity image. So I'm gonna fix this image first. Make group and duplicate this group. Then flatten image. Now I got fixed one layer of this color, pretty subtle color. I'm gonna duplicate this again and change blend mode to multiply, so a little bit darken. Even though we got some grain stuff too. Oops, I did it last time too. Well, so I may have to smudge later on. Anyways, I'm gonna march down. Well, this is gonna be the base image, so I've got to smudge this. But let's see the brush. Well, we have something sketching. Oh, there we go. Bonobo chalk. This has already this kind of texture, you know, which is like grain. So I think I can just paint it on this to make it lighter, to get out of this dust. So pick some colors, then let's see. On this image, huh? Well, I can touch up later, like so. I'm gonna break this group first, move these to top, then delete this group. Now we got the three images, and also I have the base image is this. Then change this to blend mode to bring back to normal. Now I got changed names, rename three of them. Okay, this is the base image, luminosity effect. Then this is original image. Then pencil drawing type image. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna make mask. Then invert mask. Now we see the base image. Then I'm gonna reveal this with this bonobo chalk. Now I want some texture on this brush. I'm gonna change drawing to evolve. I like the image around here, so just leave this image around. Okay, now let's see this pencil drawing type image. Turn on, then change blend mode. Linear blend, pretty nice, but we saw the overlay last time. Yeah, overlay 50. I'm going to change backing force with drawing evolve to just pick recent, so I can change the brushes so easy. Okay, now I'm gonna add layer on top, filling with white. Then make mask. Now reveal this. So again, evolve. Okay, now I'm reviewing. Now I just stop reveal, then I'm gonna paint this. Again, same time, mask this. Okay, that's about it for background, and now I'm gonna reveal this. Yeah, that looks good. Nice. To show this outlines profile. Well, I think that's it. Okay, this is overall outside white paint, and I painted this magenta, blue, some pastel color, and this is a mask for original image. Then base image is original photo and pencil drawing type. Change to the luminosity effect, get this one. This is the base image. I add original image, then pencil drawing 50%, which blend mode is overlay, is this one. Get lighter image, then this color. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. All right. Thank you.